This might look like your typical barn, but it actually represents a ballooning success story. Come on inside so I can show you what I mean. We're here now with Cristy DeFoe, the owner of Cristy's Party Co. Tell us about this space and where we're at right now.
Yeah, so right now you're in the balloon barn. This is freshly done. This is where I'm storing all of my balloons. This is my office space, and this is also where I'm prepping all the balloons.
It's an expansive space, it's big, and that ties in with the kind of growth you've seen. Tell us about what's happened.
Yeah, this year has been a huge achievement year. We started this journey into moving into this space last year in October, and this barn was built in like 2 months. And this year we're really just appreciating having this space and soaking it in this year.
Balloons are so much fun, so we thought we'd talk to you about what you're noticing in terms of some of the creative ways people are using balloons. Can you walk us through a few?
Yeah, there's so many things people are doing. I just went to a convention like a couple months ago, and the way that people are using balloons is insane and like crazier than I could ever imagine. People are doing things with balloons that I never even thought of. Like, there's corporate events, which I never thought I'd get into starting out. Birthdays are getting crazier. I'm sure you've seen kids' birthdays are kind of like popping off with the creativity. And then also like bid day sorority things is a huge thing right now. People are going off on decorating. I'm sure you can imagine how huge those houses are. They're decorating them from top to bottom, and that's like a huge thing that people are getting into right now in the balloon community.
When we see one of those large-scale creations, how long does it take you to make something like that?
It really just depends. I can tell you when I first started, it took me hours. It took me so many hours, but now that I have more experience, I can throw something pretty quickly together depending on what it is. A column like this would take me forever, but now I'm pretty skilled at doing that. Yeah.
Do you have a favorite balloon creation you've made?
I sure do. I just did an ice cream cone. That was so fun to make. Someone requests something like that. I've never done it before, so it really challenges me to be more creative and figure out a way where I can deliver that to someone and be confident about it.
True artist right there.
Thank
you.
The
last question I have for you, for somebody that's watching at home, maybe a mom who's trying to DIY some balloons, how do we make them last? How do we make them look good?
Yes. So one thing I do want to mention I offer is like grab and go balloon garlands that are a lot smaller in size that could fit in like a van or something like that, or even like a vehicle where you put your seats down. I do offer those, and I give you everything you would need to hang it up. Another thing, if you are buying balloons from somewhere and you're trying to assemble them at home for a birthday party, the best thing I can tell you is underinflate them. People always want to overinflate, and you're gonna get like the really cone shaped on the balloons. But if you underinflate, not only do they look super cute and round, but it's gonna last a lot longer, because if you overexpand it, it might pop, it might shrink, and it won't look as good later on.
All right, we're taking a look right now at some of your beautiful creations. Make sure you check out Cristy on Instagram. We also have her contact information right here on your screen.